like a Hellcat.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sanket. In today's interesting vlog, we are unboxing my new pressure washer, which is Starq Pressure Washer. I bought it from Amazon. The link is in the description. Now Starq is really nice company for pressure washing. This machine has really good pressure in it. So let's get started with the unboxing. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started.
It comes with a really nice packaging from Starq Retail. Inside the box, we got its manual, its product catalog, and basic accessories. The product link is in the description. These are the accessories which we get. It comes with two O-shaped rings which is used to connect the inlet pipe. This is the inlet filter. This is the tap joint which is used for taking water from a tap. This is the main spray gun of the machine. It comes with the adjustment and the locking function. This is inlet hose pipe with the adjustment. The length of a hose pipe is around 1.5 meter. This is output hose pipe. Build quality is really nice. The length of this pipe is 6 meter. And here is our main machine. Product description and everything is in there. The mains cord for the machine is around 1 meter long, which is not too big. After unboxing, I have connected all the systems with the main machine. This is the output pipe which is connected to the spray gun. The connection is really simple and very tight. This is the output side of a machine. We have to connect the hose at this point with the spray gun. On the other hand, here is the inlet pipe. The filter is attached over here for collecting water from a bucket. This switch comes with a silicone cover, so we don't have to worry. So this is the Starq W3 Pressure Washer. In the upcoming vlog, I will show you the working of this. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more details.